This month on Pathways of the Future, we're highlighting our patient care pathways.
My name is Enoch Mariangi and I'm a NACC student. This program has helped me a lot in my nursing career as it has helped me further enhance my knowledge and to help understand better what I'm going to do in the future.
Hi, my name is Zuleika. I took the CNA day class at CRY-ROP. I loved it so much. I highly recommend taking this course. I think the one thing that I loved the most about everything was getting to know all the patients, doing my clinical hours, and especially making friends during the class. I recommend this program because you'll build the best relationships with all the people around you, and you have so much experience in the healthcare field just by taking the clinicals.
Hi, my name is Ashley Urain. I teach the medical assistant course at Yucaipa High School. I feel that our patient care pathways has prepared students entering the medical field by having our dedicated and educated staff teaching the hands-on applications and skills needed for real-life scenarios and clinics that students will be embracing. My absolute favorite part of teaching this class is seeing the light bulb go off in my students' faces, understanding the material at hand when they might first have difficulties with it, and then applying the hands-on applications and real-life experiences behind what they're learning, and then fully understanding the information we're providing them.
Hi, my name is Abby. I was a student at Redlands High School, and originally I took my first CRY-ROP class for ASL. Just knowing that I had the opportunity with CRY-ROP to take the NAC class to get my certification for nursing assistant, that was like the next stepping stone for me. And just knowing that this program allows me to gain experience in the medical field and gain experience in like what I want to do for my future profession, it's definitely a stepping stone that allows me to experience a lot more, and yeah, I feel great about it.